first I'm going to share with you all nude shades, then pink shades, then red shades, then brown shades. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all top 13 lipsticks that every Indian girl should have. So the lipstick shades that I'm going to share with you all today are the shades that will suit every Indian skin tone, and the reason why I'm so sure about it is ये lipsticks वो है जो मेरी mom use करती है, मैं use करती हूँ, मेरी बहन use करती है, and it looks amazing on all of us. That's the main reason I thought to share with you all, क्योंकि आजकल सबको ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ही करनी होती है, इसके लिए मैंने सोचा बता दूँ, थोड़ा रेफरेंस मिल जाए. And just for your reference, I am in the shade NC37 in the MAC products. So let's start lipsticks. So first I'm going to share with you all nude shades, then pink shades, then red shades, then brown shades. So the number one lipstick is this one. This is my most favorite lipstick. ऐसे तो सारी मेरी फेवरेट ही है यहाँ पे, लेकिन इसके साथ मेरा रिश्ता कुछ अलग ही है. ऐसा होता है ना, बहुत बार तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स ऐसे कंडीशन देते हैं कि अगर तुझे तेरे सारे लिपस्टिक फेंकने पड़े और सिर्फ एक ही रख सकती है तो तू कौन सा रखेगी, तो मैं ये रखूंगी. So this one is Sugar Crayon Lipstick in the shade Emma Woodhouse. This used to be this much, लेकिन मैंने शार्पन करके इसको इतना छोटा सा कर दिया है. It's beautiful. Now the reason why I love this lipstick is it complements my skin, it complements my whole makeup, and the plus point about this is कि कभी-कभी होता है ना, आप खा लेते हो उसके बाद आपके लिपस्टिक एकदम चैप लुक आता है, तो वैसा लुक इसमें नहीं आता. It gives you nice tinted look, so that's the main reason why I love this lipstick. Now the next lipstick I have in nude range is the Nykaa lipstick. This is in the shade Deja Nude, and again this is a beautiful color, and this one is super affordable. It's just for 250 rupees, and the shade is so beautiful. Look at this. Now next again I have lipstick from Sugar, and this is from the Metal range in the shade 04 Sotria. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a beautiful lipstick and I love the packaging. It's so classy and it looks so luxurious. मैं swatch करने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरी हूँ. Now next I have Nykaa Wonder Puff lipstick. This is in the shade Dream On, and this is actually a cushion lipstick, and it looks like this. The applicator of this one is really helpful and it applies lipstick really precisely, and if you're going for no makeup look, it's amazing. I sometimes just like to apply this lipstick on my lips like tinted, and I sometimes also apply it over my cheeks. It looks amazing. Now we are done with nude shades. Next I'm going to share with you all the pink shades that I feel will look good on Indian skin tone. So the number one lipstick in the pink range is from Nykaa. This is in the shade Walk the Walk. Nice name. Okay, so मैं जब भी Instagram stories डालती हूँ तो या तो मैं एकदम ओवर रेडी रहती हूँ या तो बिल्कुल रेडी नहीं रहती. तो जब मैं बिल्कुल रेडी नहीं रहती तो मैं ये लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ, because it looks so nice, it looks so decent, it looks so subtle, it just gives you nice tinted look. Let me swatch it for you guys. Now I never used to wear pink lipsticks, but this lipstick right over here made me do it. This is from Spectre Cosmetics in the shade Troublemaker. It's so pretty, it makes you feel pretty. Let me tell you guys, मैं उनमें से हूँ जो हमेशा अफोर्डेबल लिपस्टिक्स लगाती हूँ, जो कभी हाई एंड लिपस्टिक्स प्रेफर नहीं करती, क्योंकि मैंने जब स्पेंड किया है हाई एंड लिपस्टिक्स में मैंने हमेशा रिग्रेट किया है. बट दिस लिपस्टिक इज रियली अमेजिंग. द फॉर्मूला इज सो गुड. इट्स मैट एंड इट लास्ट रियली लॉन्ग, एंड even if you eat something it will stay and it won't give you that chappy look. It will give you nice tinted look. That's the main reason I love this lipstick. ये मेरा third purchase है and I will highly recommend it. Okay, so now it's time for red shades. Drum roll. मेरा हाथ पूरा भर चुका है. So next we have the Sugar lipstick. This is from the metallic matte lipstick range. Actually the whole range is really beautiful. You can pick any shade. This is in the shade 03 Lisa. ये मेरी मॉम ने मुझसे ले लिया है हमेशा के लिए. तो मुझे कभी भी लगाना होता है तो मैं हमेशा मम्मी के कहती हूँ मम्मी प्लीज दे दो. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल रेड कलर. अगर मुझे कोई बोले कि आपको रेड लिपस्टिक लगानी है या फिर कोई थीम है या फिर कुछ भी कहेगा थीम पार्टी में अगर रेड लगाना हो तो मैं ये लिपस्टिक लगाऊंगी. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कलर. मैंने पता नहीं अब तक इस वीडियो में कितनी बार ब्यूटीफुल बोल दिया होगा. ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल सो ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल लिपस्टिक. Next I have NYX Professional Maker Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Matte Red. It looks like this. Now this one is really amazing if you're going for some kind of party or wedding or any kind of festival. It's just so suitable for that. So guys, we are done with red lipsticks. Next we have brown lipsticks. For brown lipsticks, I just have two lipsticks. First one is from My Glam. Now I used to apply this a lot in my college days. अभी भी इसमें निशान लगा है इनका. You can see. Now it's really easy to apply and आप इसको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हो. The packaging is so easy and so handy and this is how it looks. Now the last one but not the least one is from Seven Heavens Photogenic Matte Lipstick and this is in the shade 10. Now I don't know if you guys know this brand but मैंने अगर अपनी लाइफ में कोई पहली लिपस्टिक ली थी तो वो ये थी and I don't know why this brand is so underrated. I got this one for just ₹100 or 120 rupees from Bandra Hill Road and I remember my friend used to tell me don't buy it, you will regret it वगैरह वगैरह. But it turns out it's so good. The formula is really great. It's so easy to apply. Look at this. I think it's amazing for college going girls. It's affordable, it's pocket friendly and I think you can get it from Bandra Hill Road or Linking Road but तुम regret नहीं करोगे. It's amazing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will put all the product details in the description box below and let me know if you want me to try some new lipstick or your favorite lipstick. I will surely give it a try. मेरे वीडियोस देखते रहो और जाते जाते सब्सक्राइब कर लो अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया. फ्री में है. बाय.